Okay, today we are going to do a quick little demo on how to embroider toilet paper. So first thing you need to do is get your hoop and hoop up the tearaway stabilizer. You will need some of the 505 adhesive spray or any kind of adhesive spray. And you will spray your stabilizer. You want to get your toilet paper. Oops, wrong roll. Let me grab the other roll. Okay, get your toilet paper, unroll it quite a bit. Okay, and you want to just carefully just lay it right on there. It's got that adhesive. Just lightly tap it on there. Now, you want to have this a little bit longer because we're going to come over here to the machine. We're going to go ahead and put this on the machine. But the reason we're not going to tear it off or anything, we want to lay this in, but this way it's undone and we can carefully set this over on the other side. And then we've got everything set up for embroidery and you will just let it run. You may want to slow the speed down, but it will embroider just fine. So once it is done, oops, this is what it will look like with whatever design you've chosen. I had a customer that wanted the word derby on there. So since it's tearaway, normally anytime you were embroidering you would just rip it off. You cannot obviously do that with toilet paper, it will tear up the toilet paper. So you want to take the hoop off and then carefully bring it through. But don't fear, it's just toilet paper, so if it does rip, just do some more. So what I'm going to do is just cut this right next to it. I'll flip this up, cut off this excess, and I'm just cutting around it. And then you will just carefully roll your toilet paper back up. And then if you want to secure it, you can just get a little piece of tape right there and tape that. It's really cute to put in like a little clear cellophane bag and then twist it up. You could put a bow on it, just make it decorative. You could even put like a little tiny pin if you wanted to, but a little tiny piece of tape will be fine. And that is all you have to do to embroider toilet paper. It's very simple and easy to do and kind of just a fun novelty gift. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and have a great day.